assuage. To assuage is to provide some relief from physical or mental pain. So दर्द से राहत देना is to assuage. For example, this pill will assuage your headache. So to assuage is दर्द से राहत देना. Many times we also use the word assuage for some mental or some physical pain. So कुछ ऐसा करना जिससे mental anxiety या unpleasant feelings कम हो जाए is to assuage. So किसी को शांत करने की कोशिश करना, pacify करने की कोशिश करना is to assuage. For example, the Modi government has tried to assuage the farmers' fears about the new reform laws, but nothing seems to have been working so far. So Modi government ने protesting farmers को pacify करने का कोशिश किया है, लेकिन अभी तक कोई फायदा होता नजर नहीं आ रहा. Now, let's see the usage of the word assuage from the clipping.
Second, it's also that a lot of the Congress imports in the BJP may get impatient before the elections. So they also have to be assuaged because these are small states with small cabinets.
A lot of Congress imports in the BJP may get impatient before the elections. So they also have to be assuaged. So Congress से जो leaders BJP में आए हैं, उनकी भी कुछ महत्वाकांक्षाएं हैं, उनके भी कुछ ambitions हैं, उनको assuage करना पड़ेगा.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.